Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm talking about English grammar tenses. First of all, what are tenses in English? A tense is a form of the verb that allow to express times. The tense of the verbs tell us when an event or something exists and when a person did something past, present and future. There are three main types of tenses. First of all, what are the three main types of tenses? What do we need them? Past, present, and future. There are three main types of tenses. Past tense. The past tense is used to describe an active or an event that is happens in the past or present state of being and need to include a time marker for when the event and action took place. Structure formula: structure plus verb, second verb plus object. Example: we met yesterday, we bought a new laptop last week. Present tenses. The simple present tenses or present tenses is one of the most basic tense in English. We use present tenses to talk about something that is currently going on, something that is habitual forms or a state that general of current exists. Structure formula: subject plus verb plus object. Example: she lives in Spain. Bob drives a taxi. What is future tenses? The future tense is a verb tense used to describe an event or an action that has not yet happened and expected to happen in the future. Structure formula: subject plus shall plus will plus verb plus object. For example, he will be here soon. Now that we have understand the three main types of tenses, communications in English with a native English speak will become easily, but to make community in English easily and simple, we need to learn more and about tenses. A part of the three main types of tenses: present tense, past tense and future. There are different subtypes of tenses which are mentioned below. What are the subtypes of tenses? Past continuous tense. The past continuous tense is used to describe events or actions that have already occurred in the past. It's employed to describe an action which has happened in the past. Structure formula: subject plus verb plus verb plus object. Example: I was watching TV. We were sleeping. She wasn't eating a lunch. The past perfect tense. The past perfect tense is used to describe an event that are occurred before a complete action in the past. Structure formula: subject plus head plus verb. Example plus object. Example: we had gone when she becomes ill. She had not lived in the UK and they had not been married long when I was born. Past perfect continuous tense. The past perfect continuous tense present an action event that started in the past and sometimes continued in the other actions or another times. Structure formula: subject plus had been plus verb plus object plus time of actions. Example: we had been playing games for 6 hours when dad come home. She had been reading magazines for 1 month before she decided to apply for the job. Had she been washing dishes all days. Present continuously tense. The present continuously tense is used to talking and ongoing actions, events, and conditionals that are still finished. Structure formula: subject plus verb plus is, am, are plus main verb plus object. For example, she is playing basket. A bird are flying in the sky. I'm learned in English. Present perfect tense. The present perfect tense is used to describe a situation or event that has already occurred but has immediately remained. The present perfect tense can be used to describe experience and situations and the occurrence in the past build but still have an influence of the present. We don't use it when with times markers. Structure formula. For example, she had no finished work yet. I have been the smoke that the movie toys. I have we have wasted our server time. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.